As a building owner, whether part of local authority or social housing organization, you might be wondering, how can I renovate my building stock? Across Europe, each region faces its own challenge when it's come to offset, prefabricate, and industrialized renovation.
When good ideas cross borders, they help shape a more balanced, structured market, one that better connects supply with demand. Born from cross-border collaboration, the Energiesprong movement led to the EU-funded LIFE Giga Regio Factory project, aimed at scaling up renovation across Europe. It's led by 4 countries: France, Germany, Italy, and Belgium. The LIFE Giga Regio Factory project develops tools to help public and social housing owners roll out regional-scale, collective renovation strategies. It also supports large-scale industrial solutions to make social housing renovation faster, more affordable, higher performing, and more attractive across Europe. To achieve this, the project uses an open-source tool to assess and qualify housing stock, enabling smart aggregation strategies tailored to each region, backed by a growing database of building parameters. This is one of many possible paths. The open scalable method evolves with need, accommodating unlimited parameters. As an open source tool, it's free to use, adapt, and improve. By nature, an open method stays in motion, true to the Energiesprong spirit. Activating a market means stimulating demand, which is precisely what one of the project work packages aims to do. Another key objective of the project is to activate supply as well. LIFE Giga Regio Factory is building an accelerator for global solution integrators, with workshops for key market players and a tailored business planning tool. These help stakeholders assess investment needs and connect with funders. The project is also building a Gigafactory industrialization kit, which includes training sessions, a best practice guide, and deployment support. The Off-Site Renovation Solutions Library highlights solution providers and building companies ready to mobilize as demand grows, showing housing providers that the supply chain is taking shape and gaining structure. If even a few European regions launch mass renovation strategies tomorrow, the supply side must already be ready to deliver. That's the vision behind the Supply Activation Project work packages. Supporting every stakeholder across the value chain, from manufacturers and solution providers to energy services suppliers, architects, engineers, and technical inspection agencies. To make this possible, LIFE Giga Regio Factory developed diagnostic tools to assess industry readiness, a support program with workshops and guides, financial planning resources, a region-ready training kit, and a catalogue of solution families. Through its technical solutions, LIFE Giga Regio Factory aims to lay the foundations for a truly scaled-up, off-site energy renovation market, capable of meeting the EU's building decarbonisation goals by 2050. Join us in shaping the future of large-scale renovation in Europe. Explore the Energiesprong Global Alliance Foundation website and LIFE Giga Regio Factory, practical tools and strategies that enable a more efficient, decarbonised building sector.